This is a perfect example of what I warn my pet parents about. I tell them all the time, if you have dogs that wear collars with tags, please be very careful, especially in the summer when it's really hot outside and they come inside and they want to cool off. They will find a floor vent and lay down, and those tags can slip down between those little slats and then turn ever so slightly and get stuck. So please, when your dog comes in the house, if they wear tags, take the collars off. Or you can also find a neoprene tag pouch that is too thick to slip between those slats.